time. She's here. Finally made it. Officially here, guys. Officially landed. Just take y'all for a walk with me as we make our way. You already know what time it is. So I'm gonna just take y'all for a walk with me. Pedal. We're here, everybody. Meet the beautiful people. Jalen, how are you? Dad, how are you? Okay, you well? Good. What'd you say? Yeah. This is how it goes. And a cool mark on the apron, isn't it? The end of it all. You know what we're here for, baby. It is D-Day. Take out for a little walk around. Another race car coming. Here she is, though. Ready to get towed away. I mean, obviously there's a few things that still need to be done. Update the disc for one. It's expired a little bit. Need to send the car for alignment. Got to put the wheels back on. They've been refurbed, and yeah. So I think the safest thing. Oh, and it needs a tune. So safest thing is tow away and get all that done, and then bring back for basically tuning and stuff. So yeah. Right, so that's pretty much it for what needs to be done at the shop, at least for now. Yeah, it's time for the car to come home, and I need to obviously finish off the rest of the stuff, basically reassembling the car and getting it back to roadworthy status. Just a bit unfortunate that I couldn't meet the tow truck obviously at the workshop. I had a mad busy day, a hell of a lot of work and stuff like that to do, a lot of business, so I just had to meet the tow truck back at home in the evening to collect the vehicle from there. So craziest part is that I just can't even explain to you guys how surreal and how unbelievably good this moment felt. Collecting the car again and just, you know, having it in my driveway. It's been so long, literally, I think it's 2 years and a little bit. Yeah, just over 2 years when the car is literally last sat in my driveway. So yes, we still have a lot to do. The car is far from being done, but it's definitely a lot closer than it ever has been. And to just experience the car back in my yard was something I can't even explain it, honestly. So just in regards to a few of the things, obviously that still need to be tackled. Suspension needs to get completed. So I've done all the main stuff. It's just coilovers for now. Car needs to go for alignment. Injectors need to be cleaned again, and then obviously just system checked over with the wire tuck. 1 or 2 small little adjustments that need to be made, and I obviously have to reinstall the whole interior, get the entire car back to what would look like a road car. Just small things like mud flaps, etc, etc. The original wheels need to go back on the car. I'd like to believe the car should be pretty close or ready for tuning from there. You never know what could creep up along the way, but as far as my knowledge goes, that's the only things that are left to do. So For those that have followed, those that have been with this journey, you know how difficult this has been in regards to just trying to frame up everything and get myself to where I want to be. So really excited for this last half. Do stay locked in, and basically the journey now is to get the car ready for road use again. Literally setting ourselves up for dyno day, and obviously getting the car back on the road, because I can't wait to experience this first drive with you guys. Anyway, let's get straight back to it. It's that time. She's here. Finally made it. Oh, it's a straight up movie, y'all. So the only things left, other than what has been stated, is to get the remainder of the parts that have been ordered and what needs to be collected, to get this car back to where it belongs, back outside. If you've enjoyed this journey thus far, please do like, comment and subscribe, because I swear to you, we're literally just getting started.